Hello everyone, I am Shankar Rajput. Today is date 22 April of 2024. Today's topic name is the hash map. Hash map. In Java, you might have the part of the about the map, the interface which extend the collection the interface. There are the some information uh, uh, implementation the classes of map interface out of the out of which one such class a hashman present in the Java util package. It is the denote does not hash map greater than k and v where k the stand for the key and for value. In the simple terms, hash map K and V is a data structure that store the element of the from of key value pair. Their key value pair are also the terms as a entry of the hash map. Uh, key are the key are the include of the duplicate key are not allowed. The store value based on the key, and it is the can be accessible using key. Hash map allow the multiple nulls value and only one null key. Uh, hash Hash map are not non-synchronization, meaning that they are the not thread, uh, meaning that there are the not threads set. If multiple the thread access the hash map at the some time, the they will be modified in the map. The structurally will modi uh, will
हालू लोगों मोबाइल हाल पे
will modify the map structurally. Hash map are the and collection of the key value pairs. There do not uh, maintain of the uh, in insertion orders. They are the they are much faster in the terms of the uh, literally, data as the combined of the access arrays and the linking list with the content time of the performance for they are the basic operations. It is the internal the default capacity numbers of the element that can be stored of the hash map is the 16 and the default load factor is the 0.75 will we will be the discuss the capacity of the load factor of the little later in the coming the section uh, uh, hierarchy check hierarchy the diagram the above the hash map classes extend of the uh, uh, H, abstract map class and the implements the map the synchronization but the clone clonable the interface uh, check the hierarchy the diagram about the hash map class extend for the class and the implement the map the uh, synchronization and uh, clonable the interface. Feature of the hashmap. Hashmap is the map base the collection class that contains of value class that contain on the basis on the key. Let's is the discuss some key features of it. Thank you for this listening.